welcome to Pacorr. Today we will walk you through the step-by-step operation of our motorized pneumatic drop tester, the ultimate solution for accurate drop testing of packaging and products. Step 1. Power on the machine. Start by switching on the main power supply. Ensures all emergency stops are released and the air pressure is connected properly. Step 2. Adjust the drop height. Use the control panel to set your desired drop height. You can adjust it precisely depending on your testing requirements, whether it's 300 mm or up to 1800 mm. Step 3. Place the test sample. Carefully position your box or product sample on the drop platform. Make sure it is centered and balanced for accurate results. Step 4. Select the drop type. Choose the type of drop, face, edge or corner. Using the pneumatic controls, this simulates real-life handling and transportation impacts. Step 5. Press drop button. Now press the drop button on the control panel. The pneumatic mechanism releases the sample quickly and smoothly. No human error, just precision. Step 6. Observe and record results. Check the damage on the product or packaging after the drop. Record all observations for quality analysis. Step 7. Repeat if needed. Want to test from a different height or angle? Repeat the steps to simulate more real-world conditions. And that's how easy it is to operate Pacorr's motorized pneumatic drop tester. Safe, efficient and super accurate. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888-214-9230.